All right, Tamara Gabriel, what we got today? Today is advice for my future self day. Here's your exact assignment. Like that has mattered to me. I need to do better. The one thing I tell my future self is blank. What future self? Blank. Join me, won't you? All right, this ought to be a good one. If I had to tell my future self anything, it would be stop overthinking. This is not like any process that you have gone through before. The creative process that I've discovered in the community is not something I can align or put in a box with any other skill or hobby or endeavor or whatever you're calling it that I have undertaken before. It's not like I've been, I don't know if this is in vogue or not, but we're going to say it. I've been communicating through chat with another member of the community, Liam. And here's my dilemma. You may have seen it in general discussion. Some of the creators that I am used to interacting with on here have reached their day 30. And it was a quick realization for me like, wait a minute, the dynamics are changing. They have reached their day 30. They are, of course, there's the 30, the after the 30 days type thing. Isn't there a reality show like that? Anyway, I digress. It's hard for me to stay on track. I have a synoptic mind, if you haven't recognized that yet. So I got to thinking, it really wasn't it wasn't a spiral. It was just I guess, a dwelling, a distraction is a better word. I'm 2/3 of the way through. I'm like, you're coming to your 30 days. And what are you going to do after that? Because I didn't come in with a purpose or a niche. I came in to develop a skill set and then maybe come up with that idea afterwards. And I had to pull myself back to that. So I guess my future advice is quit overthinking that. As I analyzed the communication with Liam back and forth, he had some good points that helped me get here. I'm trying to put this in another box. One in particular box I was trying to shove it in was playing the guitar. And after I stepped back and thought about it, I thought it's nothing like playing the guitar because you'd think that's creative, right? Well, it is if you're a songwriter or you're writing music. But when I performed the guitar, I was playing these same things over and over. This process is not that. This isn't the same video over and over. It's the same person. It might be in a different place, different topic. There's different ideas, different concepts. You're reviewing different things. So it's this constant state of creativity. And what I decided to do is quit overthinking the beyond and, like anything I've ever done, immerse myself where I am in this process. And here I am 2/3 of the way in this process. And I'm going to stop overthinking it. Don't put the cart before the horse. If you do, don't put yourself in the middle because you'll end up pulling the cart and standing in horse feces. And never pull a greasy string if you see a greasy string in front of you. And I'm short on time, and usually this is where a neat segue to a catchphrase to close comes from, but I just don't have it. So just like, go on, get. That was awkward.